So I'm going to demonstrate how to apply an AchilloTrain to your foot. First off, what you want to make sure you have everything that goes with the AchilloTrain. So that's the insert that goes in the opposite shoe, and on the inside of the box there's a slip that allows you to apply the AchilloTrain much easier. It's a sleeve that actually goes onto your foot, so let me show you how you do this. Put this on over the end of your foot, just like a slipper. Take the tag end of the AchilloTrain with both hands, slide it over your foot just like a sock until you get that pad right under the bottom of the heel. Pull this end out, and there you have it.